In today's video, I am going to teach you how to back up data and Google Chrome accounts. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you will see your profile icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select Turn on Sync. After you click it, Chrome may ask you to sign in to your Google account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you use the account where you want your Chrome data to be backed up. When sync is turned on, Chrome can back up information such as bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, autofill details, settings, and other browser preferences. If you sign into the same Google account on another computer, you can access that same synced information there as well. In most cases, Chrome will show that syncing is active through your profile area or account settings. If you want extra peace of mind, you can also review your sync settings later to make sure the types of data you want backed up are included. Once sync is enabled, your Chrome account backup is in place, and your browser data will be much easier to recover or transfer in the future. That covers everything you need to know.